where I meet my friends. Some I'm still friends with. Say like that.
This is the elementary I went to. This is where I began growing myself as a person, my character, and my identity.
This project is about declaring that Black stories exist in Portland and that we are masters of those stories and that we can tell those stories ourselves, and really empowering our rising Black men to own those narratives.
But nobody can make it out here alone.
The narrative of this community is negative. It's really negative. You look at the news, you look at the neighborhood, you're going to see the violence, but you're not going to see the good. I mean, there's people like me, Iman and Mohammed, that are doing positive things in this neighborhood, that are going to go be forward leaders. So, I mean, we need to highlight that.
It was definitely a beautiful struggle, but it's also beautiful because even though you're struggling, you could always find somebody to help you out. We're one big happy family out there, and we're always there for each other.
I feel like a community center is necessary in this neighborhood because kids will be given the opportunity to do something positive.
I got to the point where I'm like, wow, like this is my future, and I gotta take full control of my future and speak for what I want to see.
For me, I'll tell kids to dream because that's what I did. And I went after my dreams. I was assertive. Coming from this neighborhood, I have to go and advocate for myself. I want kids to learn how to advocate for themselves.